let's look at number 13. All right, what will we do first to figure out if Luna or Sophia is right? What will we do? Distribute. Okay. All right, Evan, so what's 4 times 14? How much? 56. All right, did they both do that right so far?
Yep.
All right, and let's do the next one. Okay, Mario, what's 4 times negative 10b? Negative 40b. Did they both do that?
Yep.
All right. Emma, what else would I distribute?
Negative 6b.
Okay, so what's negative 6 times b then?
Negative 6b.
Okay, did they both do that? Nope. Luna did, but Sophia did what? Negative 6a. All right, let's see what else is going on. And then what's, let's see, Alex, what's negative 6 times 4a? Negative 24a. So, what happened there? Who messed up? Both of them. No, they didn't.
Yeah, they did.
No, they-
She put b.
On the negative 6 times 4? Oh, she put a b right there, didn't she? Look at there. And then she put a positive. So both of them did. I'm sorry, I didn't even see that b. All right, so is either of them correct? Nope. So, here we go. Neither Luna nor Sophia is correct. And we got to explain, because it said explain your reasoning. So what did Luna do wrong?
Wrong sign.
There you go. Luna missed a sign when multiplying negative 6 and 4. What'd Sophia do? What'd she do to her variables? She switched them. So Sophia switched her variables. There we go. All right, so here we go. We're going to do page 4 in our notes. We started it yesterday, and we're going to finish it up today. All right, let's do one more together, though, just for those people that may have been absent yesterday and may not have caught up on the video. All right, so we're doing elimination, guys. So let's look back at our learning targets. Here we go. The very first learning target that we learned was to solve by graphing. What has to happen before you can solve by graphing? Y has got to be by itself. Very good. All right, the next thing that we learned was substitution. What has to happen before you put your phones up? What has to happen before you can use substitution? Any letter by itself, right? Okay, and then we just learned this yesterday. What has to happen before we can do elimination?
Same numbers.
There you go. So look at the x's. You have 2 and negative 4. Are those the same number? No, they're the same letter, but they're not the same number. All right, look at the y's. You have negative 1 and 2. Are those the same number? No. All right, so you're going to have to make them be the same number. So it doesn't matter. Do y'all want to do the x's or do you want to do the y's? It does not matter. Do the x's? Okay. I don't care about signs. How do I make 2 and 4 become the same number? Multiply it by what? 2. Very good. So we have 4x minus 2y is equal to negative 8. And we didn't do anything to the bottom one, so we're just going to bring the bottom one over. All right, now the word is eliminate. So if you need to, use your calculator. Do I need to say 4 minus negative 4? Or do I need to say 4 plus negative 4? What eliminates them? So 4 minus negative 4 is 0? Because that tells me you didn't use your calculator. What makes them go away? Plus. All you have to do is use your calculator, guys. Don't guess. Alright, so we're going to add. Use your calculator. What's negative 2 plus 2? It's 0 too. Do I have anything else over here? So I have to write the 0 if I don't have anything else. Somebody let Kennedy in, please. I have to write the 0 if I don't have anything. Alright, what's negative 8 plus 6? Okay, how much is it? Negative 2. Alright, are those equal to each other? Nope. So if they are not equal to each other, what would that be? Undefined talks about the slope. What, Reagan? No solution. So guys, on your quiz Friday, I could potentially give you one question and tell you to graph it, tell you to do substitution, and tell you to do elimination, all from the same problem. So if I were to tell you to graph this, what's happening here if they don't equal each other? If it's no a straight line's where they're all the same. If they don't equal and it's a no solution, there's 3 types of graphs. Inconsistent. And what do the inconsistent graphs look like? The parallel lines. The crossing means they had a point where they were the same. These would be parallel lines. Alright, let's do the next one. Alright, number 4, we got elimination. With elimination, you have to have the same number and the same letter. Look at your X's. Same letter, but they don't have the same number. Look at your Y's. Same letter, but not the same number. So do you want to deal with the X's or deal with the Y's? It does not matter. What do y'all want to do? You want to do the Y's? Okay. So what number does 5 and 4 both go into? 20. So how do I make 5 become 20? Multiply by 4. And how do I make 4 become 20? Multiply by 5. So you just multiply them by the opposite. Alright, but look, you have to multiply each one of those terms by 4 and each one of those terms by 5, okay? Alright, so let's see, we have 16x minus 20y is equal to 68, and then 15x plus 20y is equal to 25. Are y'all okay with that? Alright, how do you see the same number with the same letter now? Alright, how do I make negative 20 and positive 20 eliminate? You're going to add them, okay? I cannot stress how important it is to know how to do this because the rest of this chapter is going to be elimination. The rest of it. Alright, so what's 16 plus 15? 31. Negative 20 plus 20? Yeah, there you go. And 68 plus 25? 93. And then I got to divide. And you get 3, but I'm not done yet. Alright guys, you have 4 options. You can either plug it into the original 2 or the 2 where you multiplied. What do y'all want to do? Okay, which one? Yeah, I'd probably do the bottom one too. So it'd be 3 times 3 plus 4y equals 5. Alright, so that's 9 plus 4y equals 5. There you go. Uh-huh.
So even if you use the x's, they get the same.
Even if you use the x, what do you mean?
Like 4 x and 3 x.
Yes.
So that's what I do.
As long as you plugged in that 3 to the x spot. And you can't plug in the 3 to the y. Bless you. You got to plug the 3 into the x, but you can use the top one if you wanted to. And you'll still get negative 1. Alright, so what's my answer? Because that's not my answer. 3 negative 1 is my answer. Very good job. Are y'all okay? Alright, so we got 3 more. We're going to do those 3, and then that's it for today. That means they cross right there. All right. Y'all try 5, 6, and 7, okay? Y'all try 5, 6, and 7. On 5, did y'all get 0, 0? Yes. No, because if they're the same time, you just subtract. All right, y'all get 0, 0? Which one? What y'all multiply by? 2 and 4. So you just multiply the bottom. Yeah, just the bottom by 2. So let's see, that'd be. Oh, you multiply the top by 2 and the bottom by 4. Yeah, you just got a lot. You just did way more work than what you needed to. But that works. Okay, guys, you have got to use your calculators, okay? So if you type in 2 plus negative 2, what do you get? 0. That tells you what to do. That means that you need to add. That cancels, and those cancel. Guys, they're exactly the same. 0 equals 0. So what kind of graph has every single dot exactly the same? What kind of graph? Which one? What's it look like? It's the same line, right? And we call that consistent and dependent. Very good. All right, y'all try number 6. See what you can do on number 6. It's so important that you know how to do this, guys, okay? Alright, y'all get -1 for the x value? Yeah? Okay. And then let's see. I'm going to plug it into the top one. It's so important that you know how to do this for what we're going to build off of, okay? And then we should get 4 for the y value. You got 0.
How 4?
Yeah, 4. Are you sure you plugged in -1 right here? Are you sure you added the 6? Because that's where you would get 0 if you did that. There you go. Alright, let's try one more. Last one, number 7. And then we're going to make sure we got all our checkpoints finished. And that'll be it for the day. Alright, so on this one, the 2's are already the same, right, guys? You don't have to multiply anything. So the 2 minus 2 is cancel out. What's -3 minus 2? -5s. And what's 11 minus 6? +5. Divide, and what do you get? -1. And let's see, I'm going to use the bottom one. You could use the top one. You'll get the same answer. Which one comes first in the alphabet? R. Very good. Y'all okay? Anybody lost? Alright. I cannot stress to you how important it is to know how to work those kind of problems. Because all we're going to do next week, well, first of all, Friday is your quiz, right? And all we're going to do next week is build off of this. So it's so important that you know how to do this stuff. Because if not, we're just about to build off of it. So it's going to get really difficult if you don't know how to do this. Friday's your quiz. Monday is a test. What's your test on Monday? Math workshop. So factoring, adding and subtracting, square roots, all that good stuff. Are y'all okay? All right.